So we've just had a great session on the unmet needs of obesity. It's sort of obesity therapies really at the sort of the pillar of innovation at the moment, and it's a very exciting topic. It's very exciting for those who are interested in innovating in it and also being involved in the treatment of obesity. We've heard 3 great talks from Chris Thompson, Marina, and Lee Kaplan talking about the different therapies of obesity, the bariatric surgeries that are being offered, and sort of the unmet need. And the unmet need is quite a big, there's a big treatment gap there, and what we have currently available sort of needs to be combined with what is needed with the obese population, sort of in terms of finding, as sort of Lee Kaplan said, the right therapy in the right person and the right time. And with that being said, there's a lot of room for innovation here. There's a lot of room for collaboration with industry, collaboration with the payer perspective, with the FDA, sort of seeing where we need to go with those therapies. There are a variety of FDA-approved treatments for obesity that are sort of finding its way into the general population. The key is adoption of these therapies and finding the right patient to give those therapies to, and sort of understanding the limitations of the current therapies. And there are some devices that are approved for other indications that people are using them for obesity that have good results, good efficacy, but we need level 1 evidence for those. And then there are also things in the pipeline coming up, and I know of a couple of new devices that are either getting FDA approval hopefully soon, or are starting their FDA trials, and it's sort of a very exciting field for that at the moment. I think the key thing with all of these therapies is really to find the right treatment for the right person, and sort of to marry the two. So if I had a crystal ball as to where we think obesity therapy is going, it really is going to be the combination therapy. We can't just treat obesity as a one-stop shop. It's going to be seen as a chronic disease where you're going to have multiple therapies in that patient's lifetime. If you understand that, and you understand the need for combination therapy, that's sort of the golden bullet, if we were allowed to say that, but that's sort of the golden treatment opportunity for that patient. And it really is the collaboration with the different disciplines out there, either with medications plus therapy that carries little risk to the patient, or something with more risk but has much more benefits, sort of more bang for your buck type thing. And that's really where I see it going. We're going to move away, I think, from very invasive surgeries to minimally invasive, more endoscopic surgeries that would help the patient get that weight loss they need.